Hi friends, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious bole on stovetop. So you do not need an oven or a grill. If you don't have any of this, it's fine, you can use your stovetop to make this. I'll show you how to do this. Now if you're new to my channel, do it to click on the subscription button and you can tell us where you're watching from in the comment section. So this is what we have here, the bole. I mixed this with beans, cooked beans. As you can see, you do not need much ingredients for this recipe. You just need your yam, your plantain, your beans, cooked beans, just white plain cooked beans to your choice if you want, it's optional. And then for your sauce, just red oil, onion, pepper, fish, salt. You don't need Maggi for this. So this is what our roasted yam looks like. You can add plantain to it if you want. Now I have my plantain, I have my yam. You can use unripe plantain, but I choose to use this half ripe plantain. This is my remaining yam. I've already used some part of it, so I'm going to just use this because I don't want much yam. So I'm going to use this. Just cut off the head part, cut off this other side I've used. And then you can decide to peel off the skin or you leave the skin. For this video I peeled off the skin. Okay, should I say I peeled some parts of the skin and then I decided to leave some part of the skin. It's still going to come out fine. You understand? It depends on what you want. So I'm going to section the yam into 4 equal parts so that it can cook very well. And then my plantain, I'll just take off the 2 edges and then remove the skin from the plantain. I don't want to roast, or I don't want to grill the plantain together with its peel. So this is what I have. Now this is my oven, locally made oven. Now in my previous video you see how this oven is made. This is what you're going to use to achieve this. So I've already preheated my oven for some, let's say 10 minutes thereabout, and then I'll put in my plantain and my yam and I'll cover. So this is what I have. So I'll just turn. You see it's already getting burnt. I didn't turn on time. I didn't turn the plantain on time, but it's fine. You can just scrape off this burnt part of it. Now I'm checking if my yam is already cooked. So you're going to use a fork and pierce it through it. If it comes out clean, then your yam is ready. You understand? So you're going to turn the yam. If it's not ready, turn it to all sections to make sure it cooks. And then you cover your oven again. So this is just the process. I'm going to cover my pot again. So this is what I have. Make my sauce. Like I said, if you don't know how to make this sauce, you can tell me in your comment section and I'm gonna make a video for this. And then I added white beans to it. I just mixed everything, and this is what I have. Tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and please do not forget to click on the subscription button for more of my videos. You can do well to share these videos to your friends and family.